Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore LinkedIn Sales Navigator leads inside CRM properly. Easy tutorial step by step. Open LinkedIn Sales Navigator and log into your account. Navigate to the Leads tab on the main dashboard. Select the leads you want to restore by clicking the checkboxes next to their names. Once your leads are selected, click on the Save or Export button. Choose the appropriate options based on your CRM system. If prompted, select the format for export, typically a CSV or Excel file. Download the file to your computer. Open your CRM tool and log into your account. Look for the option to import leads, usually found in the main menu or settings. Click on Import Leads or Import Contacts. Upload the CSV or Excel file containing your leads. Map the fields from your CSV or Excel file to the fields in your CRM. Ensure all required fields are filled, such as names, emails, and phone numbers. Review your mapping carefully for accuracy. Once satisfied, proceed to import the leads. Wait for the system to process the import. This may take a few moments. Check for any errors in the import process and address them as needed. After successful import, navigate to your leads section in the CRM. Verify that all leads have been restored properly. If necessary, add tags or notes to the newly imported leads for better organization. Finally, run a quick sales report to confirm that everything appears as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.